Diving straight into this video we are, and this video is all about why I've made 4 separate videos on a deleted Facebook feature. That's right, Facebook recently deleted a feature and it's inspired me to make 4 separate videos on that particular topic. Now, the deleted Facebook feature all centers around the banner image or the cover image that you can see here at the top of my Facebook page. Facebook gives us the option of having a static image. They also give us the option of creating a slideshow where you can put up to 5 videos. And thirdly, they gave us the option of having a cover video. That's right, a video top and center right at the top of our Facebook page. But it's the cover video option that Facebook have recently deleted, and we're now unable to actually upload a video to this section. So the removal of that Facebook feature inspired me to make my first video, and this is the thumbnail for it. And I quickly followed that up with another version, slightly different. The third video was slightly different again. And this was the thumbnail for the 4th video, all on the same topic. And that topic again was the removal of Facebook cover video option. So 4 videos on the same topic, but why did I actually do that? Now, the idea behind it is all centered on Google searches. Billions of searches happen every day on Google on every particular topic that you could think of. So when Facebook actually removed the banner image or the video cover option, I've been involved in this doing YouTube videos for a while now, and I took the guess, or I took the punt that people would start Googling, looking for information on Facebook cover videos have been removed or missing Facebook cover videos, that type of thing, and I've been proven to be correct. So the idea behind it is that if someone goes to Facebook and keys in Facebook cover video have been removed, look what pops up. Up pops my videos on that particular topic. Now, the idea and the theory behind it is called content stacking. So if there's a trending topic happening in the world, or whether it be a positive or a negative or that type of thing, the idea is to stay ahead of the curve and actually start creating content on or around that topic. So that's what I did here on my YouTube channel. So going back about 2 months ago, this was the first video that I uploaded. Have Facebook cover video been removed? Now, this one's been the most popular so far, and it's had over 10,000 views. Now, I followed that up with a day later, just on the same type of video, but with a new thumbnail and a new title. Where did my Facebook cover video go? And that's had coming up to 900 views. I then followed it up with a couple more. Has your Facebook cover video been deleted? 500 views. And then the 4th one on that topic, what happened to my Facebook cover videos? So the idea is that I'm hopefully now cornering the market. When people go and key in a Google search or searching on YouTube around Facebook cover videos disappearing, and again, the idea is that my videos will then corner the market, that type of thing. Now, there's a couple of forum posts here for Quora and Reddit, and various other things like that, but there is still not that much topic content on the topic of Facebook cover videos that are being removed. Now, I also even wrote a LinkedIn blog article as well on the same topic, and I just basically took all the information that I had going. So on page 1 of a Google search, Facebook cover videos being removed, I've got the top 3 ranking videos, and there's a Reddit post, and then my LinkedIn post as well. So the idea behind it is a content stacking blitz. Now, it seems to be quite popular in the tech industry as well. So I've just keyed in new iPhone. Now, the iPhone 13 has been released here for about a month or so in Australia. So there are lots of Google searches on new iPhone 13. And if you use, the Google searching for video ideas, I've actually got a Chrome extension installed, and it's called Keywords Everywhere. And it's telling me how many people a month are searching for that particular topic here in Australia. 27,000 are searching for iPhone 13. New iPhone 2021, 110,000. New iPhone release date, there we go, that type of thing. So that's the idea behind, creating a content stacking, videos for your YouTube channel. Now, it doesn't necessarily just have to be a YouTube channel. You might just be a blog writer. You might then write particular blog articles on a certain topic, and then the idea is that you can then corner the market. So if I click on videos on that topic, Facebook cover videos, there's my LinkedIn post. It's the #1 result. Then my YouTube video, my second YouTube video, my third YouTube video, and my fourth YouTube video, all on the same topic. They're the top 5 ranking topics on that one. And now I do even have another video planned. It's titled, is it RIP, Rest in Peace for Facebook cover videos. And that will be, I'll be releasing that one in the next few weeks as well. Now, this is not the first time I've done something like this. When the social media platform LinkedIn, when they released the polling feature, allowing you to create polls on LinkedIn, I thought I'll get ahead of the curve, and I released a video how to create polls on LinkedIn. And I actually did 5 videos on the same topic, but all with different thumbnails, all with different titles. The idea is my videos would start cornering the market on this new feature that LinkedIn released, and that was about being able to create polls. So collectively, those 5 videos that I smashed out all within a day, all on the same topic, have now had over 10,000 views on that particular topic. So that's why I've recorded and uploaded 4 particular videos on a deleted Facebook feature, because I knew when people were going to update their banner video or their cover video, the option wasn't going to be available. They would then go and start doing Google searches, or they might even start going and doing YouTube searches. And if once they then do, YouTube searches, the idea is that maybe one of my particular videos on that topic became #1 in the rankings, and it helps promote myself, business and brand. So what I'd like you to do is go to the comment section below. Let me know whether you've done something similar in your industry, in your niche, whether you've sort of done a content stacking blitz and the results that you've had from that as well. I would very much like to hear about that as well. While you're there, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay up to all of my weekly videos. Equally, if you're watching it on my Facebook page, give me a thumbs up there and a like as well.